Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Ramila binti Muhammad Saudi. My number matric is 1014. So today I want to present about layout of entrance and the check-in procedure. So this is our layout of entrance and the check-in procedure. After they get in, they need to scan the QR code and then register after they done scanning. So after that, after the event done, before they go out, we will give them some goodie bags for joining our event. Okay, for the second point is parking and access. So parking and access have free private parking, parking lot size, non-smoking room, 24 hours security and traffic signage. So for the free private parking, the people who attend this family day and annual dinner will get a free private parking. So parking lot size, we also give our participant a very large parking lot size. Non-smoking room, and this event also provide a smoking room for those who are smoking. And number 4, 24 hours security. We also make sure that this event will be secure as possible with 24 hours security. And the last point is traffic signage. We also have a traffic signage to people who want to join this event and they will go not astray. So diorang takkan sesat kalau dah ada traffic signage. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Natasha Azam. My number is APD 198018. So for the protocol for important guests, we will give an early invitation letter before the ceremony. So this is to provide yearly notification to guests regarding our event. And as for the second, the usher will greet the guests up to the important guest area. So for this is for the comfort of important guests. Our usher will place them in the front row of the canopy. For that, our sitting arrangement for the important guests, we will put at the horse right. Fourth, give appropriate gift to important guests, such as appropriate souvenir like mug, cupcake, towel, or anything else. And last, use the appropriate word to the important guests. Our language is very important to give a good and positive perspective towards important guests too.
My name is Amisha Zali binti Zaini. My matric number is in the EV 90F1031. I'd like to present my part one side task distribution. First, we have Bureau Protocol and Content. Second, Bureau Venue and Logistics. Bureau Food and Beverage. Bureau Technical. Bureau Human Resource. And Bureau Safety and Security. Bureau Protocol and Content. So Bureau Protocol and Content is important for this such an event because we have special guests. Special guests are more to VVIP, and Bureau and content is about how we want to make sure the program is smoothly berjalan. Okay, Bureau Venue and Logistics is more to how much chair that we want to use, table, and what else that we need to in this event. Okay, for example, contohlah macam kita nak dalam event ni kita anggarkan 500 tetamu. Mungkin nanti akan ada lebih tetamu yang datang. Jadi mungkin kita boleh lebihkan sedikit kerusi atau meja tu untuk tak jadi masalah untuk kita nanti. Tak adalah kalut macam time tu baru nak pergi cari kat mana kursi. Lepas tu okay, for Bureau Food and Beverage sangat penting sebab macam contoh kita kena pilih makanan yang paling makanan yang sesuai untuk event tu. Contoh kalau macam High Family Day, Lepas tu tema ke kampung. Takkanlah kita nak makan chicken chop. Lepas tu macam kena pastikan kuantiti untuk makanan tu cukup untuk tetamu yang akan datang tu. Lebih tak apa, jangan kurang, sebab nanti mungkin akan ada masalah nanti atau komplain daripada tetamu. Okay, biro teknikal sangat penting untuk satu majlis yang sangat yang mempunyai special guest. Contohnya macam dalam ni pun kan ada protokol ataupun kita memerlukan MC. Jadi teknikal ni kena link dengan protokol time bila lagu nak dipasang untuk lagu masuknya special guest tu. Dan teknikal ni juga perlu pilih lagu yang sesuai untuk satu event tu. Takkanlah contoh letakkan event family day tapi bubuh lagu rock yang tak ada kena-mengena, macam lagu yang agak-agak macam kasar. Okay, for biro human resource adalah sangat penting sebab dalam ni kita menggunakan volunteer. So kita kena tahu berapa human resource ni perlu tahu berapa volunteer yang diperlukan, berapa tempat tidur untuk volunteer, makanan, pengurusan yang diperlukan lah untuk volunteer ni supaya volunteer tu terjaga. Okay, last but not least is Bureau Safety and Security. Okay, Bureau Safety and Security is more to the exit and how in and out in the event. Contohnya macam keluar masuk di dalam event tu macam mana dan teratur ataupun tak.
Okay, so I'm Shazlana binti Muhammad Zaki at DV 19F1035. Okay, so for volunteer management, first is ensure their skills are matched to the project. Consider if you can contribute to a project that will allow you to apply your existing skill and experience with the organization. Second is committed to the role. It means how committed are you to being a good teammate in handling an event. Then third is keep workloads manageable. Nobody perform at their best when they are tired and overworked. Running a successful event means ensuring that each volunteer can handle the work they are given. Okay, so limit shift length, particularly for roles that are physically or mentally taxing. And then articulate when break appropriate. And then consider starting off new volunteer small, given the role with more responsibility to experienced volunteer, and allow new phase to ease onto it. That's all for volunteer management.
So for the backup plan, which is a plan B, we need to provide a backup MC. Why? This is for emergency in case our MC can't or not attend our event. Second, make sure all PA system has backup. This is attended as an initial preparation in case there is a damage to the PA system item. Third, necessities such as table and chair are more than they should be. This is to avoid insufficient seating due to the large number of guests out of reach. Fourth, food exceed the number of guests. Why? Food is most important because usually in the party event or ceremony, the thing most guests remember is the food. So this thing is done in order. Then we need to provide a canopy and or something that can cover the equipment to keep it out of the rain. This is due to the erratic weather. And last but not least, we need to have backup for guest artists or talent. Why? So far for the artists, we need backup plan if there is an artist who is unable to attend our ceremony on certain matter. So this is the reason why we need to backup talent or backup artists, because we can avoid that the artist can attend our event for something for certain matter.
Okay, so for the last part is emergency contact. Emergency contact ni we need to collect emergency contact like JPA, Merla, police and security if we have any problem during our event is run. In case anything happen, we can call them, we can just ask them to handle it.
Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you for watching.